You wake up, and it's quiet down there. No movement. No morning reminder, just that heavy, tight feeling. Mornings feel quieter, not just in your house, but in your body. That hum of readiness, it's been fading, like a light dimming slowly over the years. If that's happening more often, this might be the most important 5 minutes you watch all year. Because here's the truth. For men over 60, erection loss is often the first warning sign, not of aging, but of something deeper and fixable. You still feel desire, you still want closeness, but your body doesn't always rise to meet you. It's frustrating, quietly embarrassing. You've probably tried the vitamins, the energy drinks, maybe even those blue pills. And the pills you were told to try? They come with side effects your body doesn't need. But what if your body's just trying to send a signal that your blood vessels need help? That energy and performance come from flow, not force. My dad felt this shift in his late 60s, and the change started with just 2 foods. Let's talk biology, but gently. As we age, the smooth lining of our blood vessels becomes less flexible. Your nitric oxide levels, the molecule that tells blood vessels to open, start dropping. As we get older, your body doesn't produce that signal as strongly, like a dim light switch that needs a nudge. And that means what once felt automatic now feels distant, slower, or completely silent. But here's the breakthrough. Those pathways aren't gone, they're just asleep. And certain foods, natural ones, can wake them up. Coming up, the vegetable that acts like a natural switch for flow. Spinach isn't hype. It's nature's quiet helper. It's packed with natural nitrates, not the harmful kind, but ones your body converts into nitric oxide. That molecule is like a whisper to your arteries. Relax. Open up. But nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax and open, like unkinking a garden hose that's been bent for too long. For men over 60, spinach helps loosen tight vessels, lower pressure that builds up in your chest and lower body, move more oxygen to where it counts, especially down there. Eat 1 cup raw or 1/2 cup steamed daily. A drizzle of olive oil helps unlock those nutrients. Toss into scrambled eggs, soups, or blend into a morning smoothie. Still with me? Because the next food, it works even faster and gave my uncle something back he thought he'd lost. Beets are like turning on a faucet. In one 2023 study, just 1 cup of beet juice opened up blood flow in less than 90 minutes. Beets are nitrate-rich, and your saliva turns those nitrates into nitric oxide. That signals your arteries to open wide, fast. But here's what makes them different. They don't just open the pipes, they add pressure to the flow. Imagine a water hose. It's not just about having an open line. You need that steady push behind it, like a drummer helping the whole band find its beat again. More morning activity, less pressure and fatigue, and a return of that wake-up signal you used to count on. Drink 1/2 to 1 cup fresh beet juice early in the day, before coffee. Think of it like flipping the switch on a garden hose. Within minutes, pressure builds and flow returns. That's how it works in your body. Gentle pressure where you need it most, without the force or fight. Add lemon or ginger to ease the earthy taste and help absorption. I've tried this myself, and I'll be honest, I didn't love the taste at first. But what it did for my mornings? That made me stick with it. Here's the part nobody tells you. Mouthwash, especially the strong alcohol-based kind, kills the good bacteria in your mouth, and you need those bacteria to turn food nitrates into nitric oxide. It's like trying to start your car with no fuel. Use a gentle, alcohol-free rinse, or rinse with salt water instead. Your arteries and mornings will thank you. And now, the 30-second habit that brings all of this together. Each morning, combine half-cup beet juice, 5-minute slow walk to get your calves pumping blood upward, 10 deep belly breaths. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6. This trifecta wakes your circulation, lowers cortisol, the stress clamp, and tells your hormones it's safe to work again. Do this before breakfast, before news, before phone scrolling. Just you, your body, and a few deep breaths. If it feels silly at first, that's okay. Your body's listening, even if you can't feel the change yet. Here's what often happens. Day 3, you wake up clearer. Day 6, you feel less tight when standing or using the bathroom. Day 10, you notice that spark, energy, ease, and better response. Day 14, you feel present, confident, like your body said, "I'm back," not magic, just flow, restored. Here's one more that doesn't get enough attention. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols and natural antioxidants that support blood vessel flexibility. Stronger, longer-lasting erections, naturally. As we get older, your blood faces quiet threats: stress, sugar, even mouth bacteria. These break down your nitric oxide. It's like pouring water into a bucket with holes. Pomegranate patches those holes, keeping your body's flow signal strong. Think of it as a gentle guardian. Drink 1/2 cup of cold-pressed pomegranate juice a few times a week. Choose 100% juice with no added sugar, and drink it chilled to preserve its compounds. And if you're thinking, "Do I really need one more thing?" I get it, but this one's worth trying. You don't need to feel old before your time. Spinach, beets, and now pomegranate? These aren't just foods, they're circulation signals. They tell your body, open up, flow again, come back online. And when your blood moves like it used to, so do you. Not sure how to keep up with all 3 foods? Try this gentle rhythm. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, spinach with dinner. Tuesday, Thursday, beet juice mid-afternoon. Daily, pomegranate juice, 1/2 cup, mid-morning. This gives your body breathing room. The nutrients stay steady without overload. It's like teaching your system a new rhythm. Gentle, consistent, natural. If no one's told you this lately, your body hasn't failed you, it's just been waiting for the right kind of care. You deserve mornings that rise with strength, not struggle. You deserve peace, not pressure. You deserve to feel capable again, not cautious. So try the foods, stick with the rhythm. You don't have to be perfect, just willing. Your body still remembers how to heal. Let it show you, one quiet step at a time. If this gave you even a flicker of hope, share it with someone quietly struggling. Type "still here" in the comments if this spoke to you. Send it to a brother or friend who's too proud to ask. And if you want more ways to feel stronger, not older, hit subscribe. Because these years, they still matter.